My name is Erica Frantz. I'm a junior and psychology major here at the University of Findlay. The title of my research is Cross-sectional and longitudinal effects of sociometric status on loneliness, self-harm, and suicidal ideation. So sociometric status is basically how likable an individual is based on their fellow peer perceptions. Research has been done on children, and it can be shown that individuals who are classified as rejected tend to be more aggressive and impulsive, whereas individuals categorized as popular are more friendly and cooperative. Previous research has focused on cross-sectional predictors of sociometric status and has ignored the longitudinal studies in investing those outcomes. Based on previous research concerning predictors, a possible connection can be made between social belongingness and outcomes, given higher popularity being associated with decreases in suicidal ideation over time. To our knowledge, no previous research has explored the association of sociometric status on loneliness, self-harm, and suicidal ideation, involving both cross-sectional and longitudinal data. The current study examines the impact of these variables on sociometric status, and it was hypothesized that rejected participants would have an increased rate of suicidality compared to the other 4 sociometric statuses. We utilized the data from NICHD study of early child care and youth development, and the results we found were that rejected children were more likely to engage in self-harm behaviors compared to popular, average, and neglected children. And we also found a longitudinal effect that controversial children reported higher levels of loneliness compared to popular children. These findings suggest that rejected children have an increased likelihood of self-harm behaviors because they are dealing with the immediate emotional pain of being rejected. Also, that controversial children have the higher levels of loneliness suggests that the impact of being both liked and not liked may take its toll later on in life. Overall, the impact of sociometric status can have various levels of developmental consequences, and the impact greatly depends on whether the associations are investigated concurrently or longitudinally. I completed the research on sociometric status because I'm really interested on how the various factors affect sociometric status, such as loneliness, self-harm, and suicidal ideation. I'd like to narrow this research down to juvenile delinquents and see how it affects juvenile delinquents and if there is the same result as found in this study. Thank you.